So, rain or shine at saka Hinebra yung game kahapon. So, dahil natalo yung Hinebra sa Magnolia, asahan mong babawi. Pero lumaban yung rain or shine. Dumikit, no? Yung mga puntos ni Andre Caraco. Lumitaw this game yung laro ni Caraco. Yung talagang laro niya, no? Kung ano talaga yung kaya niyang laruin, lumabas dito sa laron to. Kaso lang dun mo rin makikita na kahit veterano, tinatablan din ng pressure. At saka kung hindi talaga consistent yung jump shot mo, kahit na 2-point shot yun yung mangyayari. Isipin mo, it happened to Gabe Norwood, a veteran. So yun, it happens even to the best of them. Yun lang yun. Tsaka tinablan siya ng pressure kasi Hinebra yung kalaban, nag-aabol sila. 2, hindi consistent yung jump shot. Yun yung totoo doon, na hindi consistent yung jump shot, kaya mahirap umiscore kapag hindi consistent yung jump shot mo. Mahirap manalo. The same thing that Kobe said to Ben Simmons. As great as Ben Simmons is, mas tatagal yung career niya kung meron siyang consistent jump shot. So yun yung nangyayari. I mean, Gabe Norwood is not known for his shooting. He's known for his passing, defense, and slashing ability. Yung athletic ability ni Gabe Norwood was not known as a jump shooter. So, yun lang po.